Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Zebronics Bluetooth device. First, ensure your Zebronics device is fully charged and powered on. Place it within 1 meter of the device you wish to connect, like your smartphone or laptop. Next, activate the Bluetooth function on your host device. This initial setup ensures a smooth and efficient pairing process, preparing both devices for connection. To activate pairing mode, locate the dedicated Bluetooth or pairing button on your Zebronics device. Press and hold this button for approximately 3 to 5 seconds. You will typically see an indicator light, often blue or white, begin to flash rapidly. This flashing light is crucial as it signals that your Zebronics device is now discoverable and ready to connect with other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Now, on your smartphone, laptop, or other host device, navigate to the Bluetooth settings menu. Initiate a scan for available devices. Your Zebronics device should appear in the list, usually identified by its model name. Once you see it, simply tap or click on its name to begin the connection process. This step establishes the link between your two devices. After selecting your device, observe the indicator light on your Zebronics unit. A solid, non-flashing light typically confirms a successful connection. If the connection fails, ensure both devices are adequately charged and try restarting the entire pairing process. For any persistent issues, always refer to your Zebronics device's specific user manual for detailed troubleshooting steps and unique instructions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.